Carly threw a surprise. Why do I do these? Carly threw a surprise birthday for our friend Jess. Oh yeah, we all did. So we're at Carly's house, and I'll show you the table that we just made. Our little cheese plate. That's so cute. I love that. For Jess, and then we're just gonna surprise her. So that's what we're doing. I don't know what I'm doing.
I can't use the candle.
We're good.
Oh, I told you, Mum, he's the best one out of all of them.
Yeah, so my boyfriend's right here.
My boyfriend's
Okay,
asleep. He's asleep. He hurt his knee on the weekend. Playing footy. Oh, really? And he's been having a lot of trouble with it, and he was just in so much pain today.
I have like makeup on from here, and then just like, nope. Go. Surprise! Yeah. Oh my god, we're waiting for Jess.
Don't press it now. Oh no, wait, turn it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Hooray!
Stairs, right? Everything's happening down in the basement. If you can't hear anything, that means you're safe.
Why is she crying?
Why would she be crying?
Shut up! Hayley, you sound like you're having fucking sex. It's too bright, and you're like, shut up, everyone shut up.
Oh no! Stop! Oh no! He just killed him. I haven't taken my tan off. I'm literally so excited because I'm getting my braces off today. I have to go to school first. In the car on the way. What else do I say?
I'm pretty excited.
Yeah, I'm really excited to get them off.
And I'm going to have a fan towel as soon as I finish.
Oh yeah, I'm not going to have a fan towel though because I don't have one. Pardon? I got my braces off. Woohoo! Woo! I keep smiling. Woohoo! Yay! I'm very happy.
You look beautiful.
Thanks, Mom. Yeah. Oh, the guy that was taking them off kept you out.
Yeah.
Well, kept like talking to me, and I'm like, I can't answer. I have like four things in my
I'm gonna have
mouth.
to make small talk. And I'm not into small
You're not
talk.
really good at that.
No.
You're like me. You're like, you look so rude. You're like,
Do I look rude?
no, you're like,
I don't know what to say about them yet, and then I thought, right, okay. And I did sort of switch in. I thought, okay.
I bought fan towels because I haven't been able to eat them since I've had my braces on. I got my hair dyed and it's literally so blonde. It's a Friday night. I'm cooking. Me and Carly are having a really lit Friday night, and I'm making dinner. And we're gonna watch movies, so. I made us dinner to watch the footy.
Stretched a little bit, probably came on in a touch quick and close one in there. Well, Mirren's properly challenging him with
Me and Mum are going out for dinner at Crown tonight. Crown, and it's raining, so it's really not the greatest weather, but that's fine because we're gonna be inside, so it doesn't really make a difference. It's our last training session! It's It's our last training session before our grand final on Sunday. It's our last training session before our grand final on... Hi! Before our grand final on Sunday. Hayley just left because she's vomiting, so we're starting off with a good start. Yeah. We're at the club and we're getting free food and we're making banners. It's the morning of the grand final and we're on our way to the grand final, well, to the ground with Mum. We're playing at 12, but we have heaps of other teams playing today as well, so we're watching them. Do I have to say anything else?
Go Roos. Go Roos.
So hopefully we win. Bit awkward if we don't. We're in the change rooms before the grand final. We're so scared. Yeah. We can do it! You can do it!
Down this
Alright girls, win or lose, we've got this card. Raise on three! 1, 2, 3, raise! Oh, thanks guys.
So we've got Katie Gullé, Carly Paul, Lauren Clark, Jordan Small, Ashley Finnegan, and their coach Rose Gullé. Defense Riley Brown. By one to collect their premiership medals. Katie Gullé. Carly Paul. Lauren Clark. And their coach Rose Gullé.
It's hailing. We won.
Woo! We are the champions, my friends. We'll keep on fighting.
It's okay.
To the end.
But they just Colson.
You just did hers.
Don't, you're actually gonna like get it all up your face if you keep doing that shit. Oh, let's Hayley. We need to be low. Hi, Katie, she's annoying me. What are you doing to me? Can we do a close up? Yep. Oh.
Alright, I think I'll go from this side.
My friend's like,
Can someone, am I ready to take off yet or no?
yeah.
Can someone take them off for me? Did you say that?
Yeah. Left hand yellow, Amy. Okay, Carly. So I go half of the.
How am I going to get in the right?
Don't put out my face.
I'm scared. Tell me like. Okay, how am I going to know if it's...
Wait.